This doesn't make any sense. Chris was our manager. He got me and Jess a record deal, and now the cops think we killed him?
Well, Tina, do you have any idea where they suspect you?
No. I mean, we had disagreements, but Chris was a friend.
You told the police that you have an alibi?
Yes. I was at the movies. Jessica!
You okay?
I'm totally freaked.
Me too.
Mr. Kent, Vanessa Hemmings with Dewey and Pierce.
Nice to meet you. And this is my second chair.
Jane Bingum.
It's a pleasure. Listen, even though our clients require separate representation, how would you feel about a joint strategy, given their mutual alibi?
United front. Couldn't agree more.
Me too.
Docket ending 627 and 628, Tina and Jessica Orlando. The charge is first-degree murder.
The state contends that the defendants, believing they had been cheated by their manager, Chris Fabricant, acted together to cause his death by bludgeoning. State requests that each defendant be held without bail.
Counselors?
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
these young women have never had so much as a traffic ticket, and they both have deep roots in the community.
Not to mention they are both gainfully employed. They have studio time and tour dates booked.
Now, we're not asking that they be released on their own recognizance.
But we are asking that you consider a bond.
In what amount?
$100,000, Your Honor.
So ordered.
Well, that went well.
Yeah, not bad.
Vanessa's a good lawyer.
You think?
And pretty.
Didn't notice.
Come on, Grayson. You loosened your tie like 3 times, and that's your thing. Whenever you find someone...
What? I don't have a thing.
Hey, nice work in there.
We were just saying the same.
So, we've got a mountain of discovery. What do you say we jump in and discuss strategy over dinner?
Sounds great.
Your conference room or mine?
Why don't you come over to Harrison and Parker? We'll order Chinese.
Okay. Looking forward to it.
Me too.
I can't wait. That is a lot of blood.
Head wounds will do that. The ADA is going to prejudice the jury with the violence of the crime. Pass the chow bum.
Time of death is sometime between 9:30 and 10:30 p.m.
Well, that's good for our girls. Their movie started at 8:45.
Yeah, but the theater was only a couple of miles away from where the victim was killed, so theoretically they could have gone back and forth.
If the prosecution makes that claim, we'll argue that someone would have seen them.
Okay, so let's talk motive. They'll argue that our clients were unhappy with their contract.
A 2-record deal for $500,000? What's to be unhappy about?
It's the music business. $500,000 is meaningless. Every expense gets charged against it.
Girls like this don't chase money, they chase fame. I mean, look at the murder weapon.
It's a Molly?
It's their Molly, a 2010. It's the annual award for the most popular shopping mall touring act, which means they were performing for free. Anyway, my point is these girls have been working their asses off, and killing their manager would not improve their contract.
And my point is the prosecution is going full barrel after murder 1, which means they must know something that we don't. And to be honest, I don't have a good feeling about this.
Yeah, neither do I.
The defendant is charged with theft of a hard drive owned by Fremont Labs, where she worked as a lab technician.
I didn't do it.
Quiet.
The hard drive contained proprietary information, including the formula for the lab's newest product, rainbow nail polish.
I'm not a thief. They searched my home and they didn't find anything.
Miss Colby, your outbursts are not helping your case.
The formula is quite valuable, as it allows the nail polish to change color when exposed to high-intensity light.
Totally cool.
Dad would have loved that.
In addition to the theft, the only other copy of the rainbow formula was deleted from the corporate server. We allege that the defendant is also responsible. Now, given the value of this property, in addition to the defendant's prior conviction for possession of a Schedule I narcotic...
I had a bad back. My roommate gave me some Percocet.
The next time you move your lips, I will be holding you in contempt.
We argue that bail be denied, pending trial.
Jane, do something.
Your Honor, Section 502 of the Comprehensive Computer Access and Fraud Act requires unauthorized access. He just said that she was an employee.
And you are?
Oh, right. My name is Jane Bingum, and I work for the firm of Harrison and Parker. Given the public defender's caseload and his apparent lack of interest in this matter, I am offering to take over her defense pro bono.
Mr. Nevins, I assume you and your client are good with that?
If Miss Colby would prefer alternate counsel, I'm willing to step aside.
Young lady?
Okay, I guess.
So ordered.
Thank you.
I'll pay bail, whatever it takes.
I'm authorized to post bail should Your Honor choose to set a reasonable amount.
Bail is ordered in the amount of $100,000. The defendant will be remanded to custody until the bond is paid.
Yes, me too. I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you tonight. Bye, Vanessa.
Was that Vanessa Hemmings? I heard she was your co-counsel on your last case.
Yeah, you know her?
No, but I once argued a case in front of Judge Hemmings, her father. Total hard ass.
Yeah, well, hopefully he won't be at dinner.
You know the family's loaded, right? They donated the entire pediatric wing of St. Catherine's. So is it a date?
It's dinner, second attempt. We were headed to a restaurant last week, but she got called away on a discovery motion.
Well, I hear she's beautiful. Good for you.
Can I help you with something?
You know how you love to watch Animal Planet?
Yeah, you make fun of me for it.
Well, I'm representing a guy who's trying to keep his chimp from being taken out of the state by his ex-wife. Don't laugh. I'm on my way to an expedited hearing.
Did you know that other than humans, chimps are the only animals that make tools?
Which I'm confident you learned from Animal Planet, therefore qualifying you as my second chair.
Mike and I adopted Sonny about 5 years ago. We had just gotten engaged, and a friend of ours told us about the rescue organization.
Hey!
Oh, it's his instinct to groom. Just means that he likes you. He's picky.
Really? Sorry, Your Honor. Sonny and I were having a misunderstanding, but we're good.
Who actually purchased the chimp, Ms. Newland?
I did. I have credit card receipts and his animal license to prove it.
It's only because she happened to have her credit card with her. Otherwise,
I'd like to introduce the credit card receipts as Exhibit A, the license, Exhibit B. Your Honor, because Sonny was purchased prior to their wedding, he's not community property. Therefore, we ask that you declare my client Sonny's rightful owner.
You're right. Paperwork's in order, Counselor. I hereby rule that...
Hold on, Your Honor. You can't look at Sonny like he's property. Faye and Mike are de facto parents. They potty trained him, they taught him to play catch, they even arranged for daycare.
Our laws don't recognize chimp rights.
Okay, but other countries are extending certain protections. In 2008, Spain's parliament explicitly acknowledged the legal rights of chimps.
You're citing Spanish parliamentary law.
I'm arguing that a chimp has feelings, and this court should take them into consideration.
Is this a joke?
No, it's not. Speaking of jokes, does Your Honor know that chimps are the only animals other than humans that laugh?
No, I didn't. Can you make him laugh?
no problem, Your Honor. Who's my buddy? Who's my buddy, Sonny?
My colleagues may harass me for this one, but I'm going to allow a brief evidentiary hearing.
It's an animal.
To determine whether or not the chimp could be treated like a person for the purposes of custody.